So, dear students, I would like to give you opportunity that who will start that what is global warming, what are the causes of global warming, okay, and how can we reduces the impact of global warming, okay, how can we decrease the increasing global warming. So, who will start? Raise your hands by yourself. You want to space. So just I say girl side thereafter. चलो mic दे दो. दीदी को बता दो. Close.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My topic is global warming. Global warming is a very important for every person and atmosphere. Time to time, global warming is ozone layer is whole, so very affected of human life. And global warming is temperature high and atmosphere is defective. So and many advantage and disadvantage of global warming. That's all.
Explain it.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjeev Kumar. I am from Bihar, Samastipur. I am pursuing my graduation from LNMU Darbhanga. Today, we have gathered here to make debate as we get every day new topics to make arguments. As we all know that today's topic is global warming. So, I would like to present some word about global warming. Global warming is the biggest environmental problem these days. uh, as I know that global warming means global warming means rise. Global warming means global warming means rise at atmospheric temperature in the Earth. डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं.
ऐसा करो एक भैया उधर बैठ जाओ हुआ के बगल में है इधर आ जाओ.
ठीक है,
बड़ा बड़ा भी हो जाएगा.
फिर से स्टार्ट कीजिएगा.
हाँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
कैमरा
बोलो फिर से.
कैमरा
स्टार्ट कर भैया. कट जा.
वीडियो कट जाएगा. ओके, फिर से स्टार्ट करिए भाई. कोई ऐसा ऐसे कैसे हो जाता है.
नहीं यार लर्नर्स भाई हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं. कोई महान है तो रहने दो उसको.
Okay.
ठीक है, महान है तो रहने दो.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjeev Kumar. I am from Bihar, Samastipur. I am pursuing my graduation from LNMU Darbhanga. Today, we have gathered here to make debate as we get every day new topics to make arguments. As we all know that today's topic is global warming. So, I'd like to present some word about global warming. Global warming is the biggest environmental problem these days. It global warming generally global warming means rise in rise in environmental temperature on the earth. And there are many causes of environmental temperature, increasing environmental temperature, just like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, and also increasing population, industrial industrial expansion, deforestation. That's all. And when we should responsible for for protecting it, because when global warming is highest on that time, the existence of human life on the earth is ceased. So we should responsible for protecting it. If we care of it on that time, it also take care of us. So we should aware of the people. It is essential protecting us. That's all.
फर्स्ट ऑफ सर एक्सप्लेन करें पहले एक्सप्लेन कर दे. राधे राधे ऑल ऑफ यू माई सेल्फ ऋतिक. Radhe Radhe all of you, myself Ritik Yadav from Bihar Samastipur. I can say my friend Sanjeev Kumar said that I can include this some point for important line, and I will included the some research paper also that included in this case my.
इतना जो आप इमेज जो है ना दोनों बना। चलो ठीक कंटिन्यू बोलो।
Today's topic is global warming. Uh, बंद कर दिए भाई. Global warming is an effect on the long time, not a effect for come and go back for. You can see that he come for long time, and in the 2014 uh, research paper he was totally he can mm, uh, written there the research paper for our uh, कौन सा है? Oxford University. Oxford University was written than the in 1994 to 9 in 2000. So global warming is uh, slowly he can increase, and in in the case of 2000 to 2014 he can very increase them, and you can know you can see that in 14 14 July you can see that temperature is very high. So in the case of the all over the research paper was said that the very large amount of heat is uh, there will conduct.
देखो फिर क्वेश्चन में आगे बोलो। बोलो।
पहले इंट्रोड्यूस सबसे करवा लीजिए.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Lardy. Uh, I did in class 12th. I am from Mukundpur. My topic is the global warming. Global warming is the biggest environmental problem these days. It is a matter of concern for the whole world. Global warming means a rise in the atmospheric temperature of the Earth. Global warming is causes by many factors. There are carbon dioxide carbon dioxide is an important gas of the atmosphere. We can take some measure to the control atmosphere. The globe is our planet, therefore we should be
Conserve it.
conserve it. And that's all. Good morning, everyone. My name is Choti Kumari. I am class 11th. Today topic is my global warming. Global warming means the earth is very hotter, getting hotter. Uh,
डे बाय डे। चलो allow me. As my younger brother Syam will always say to me, sir, because of me your video goes viral. Okay, so I want to hear someone from Syam. Will speak up. Give him the mic. Say something about global warming.
Okay,
You have to say something about global warming and add some point related to its brother climate change. Okay.
First of all, global warming. The global.
First of all, good morning everyone.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Syambir Kumar from Asrapur, Supal.
सबको देख ले।
Okay.
लो भाई माइक
Global warming, directly or indirectly, human activity caused by global warming, such as human produces many garbage and other wastage material. If wastage material is produced by burning for, then CO2 and SO2 is produced by environment. So then it react with oxygen and it form SO3 gas. Then rain occurs. Then SO3 gas converted into acid. So our acid is very harmful. Then it is react with metal. Then it is damage the just like Taj Mahal. And global warming causes ozone layer depletion. Stratosphere is produced in
एटमॉस्फेयर होता है.
stratosphere. Atmosphere nahi. It is a thick layer of atmosphere which produce the reflex of harmful gases, but human provided many harmful gases, so it causes the ozone layer depression for thickness of stratosphere. That's all.
Good morning, all. This is Sunny from Samastipur, Bihar. Okay, and today topic is global warming, and we have discussed about it. Okay, so global warming is day by day increase very highly. Okay, and because of human daily uses, because in a day almost in this world lakh liter of petrol are used by some of the bikers and some of the racer. Okay, and nowadays some of the factory and industry who produce in a huge amount of garbage and in a huge amount of wastage material. Okay, and it's a they are send the wastage material indirectly into the just like sea and all and big rivers. Okay, so maybe it is not reusable. Okay, because of because of the waste material the people don't want to use. Okay, but nowadays we have to be also be aware from the use of plastic and from the dhwani pollution and some of the air pollution. Okay, we have to be aware about it. Okay, thereafter we can survive in this world. Otherwise not, because of global warming the glacier melt immediately. Okay, before monsoon we will see the summer. Okay, and that type of things happen in our daily life. So that's all about it.
I have some question for you. I have some question for you. How does
आता है तो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की चिंता में बारिश आ गया, कम की चिंता करे उधर क्या बोलता है?
सर पूछ रहे हैं सर, यही क्वेश्चन है मेरा. How does the global warming affect the weather?
Because
Sunidhi, you give me answer. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इफेक्ट कैसे करता है वेदर पे?
Many regions of global warming effective in atmosphere. First of all, industry increase in other gases, and second, ozone layer is whole, and third, man, any house is use AC, fridge, and reduce any gases. So that's all.
Okay, Didi, you said, first of all, thank you. First of all, good morning. I am Saurabh from Bihar Samastipur. And some time ago, you said they told me the industry provide the gas, but industry is also necessary of our country. How is the manage atmosphere?
I don't know.
Yes, industry is essential for us because we use modern facilities just like freeze books and also uh, domestic products. It means घरेलू उत्पाद and domestic product produced by industries. And when industries produce this type of thing on a time, industries uh, industries uh, industries exit a lot of industrial waste, just like chemical waste, garbage. And when industry garbage waste in the river on a time, river are polluted due to garbage, and it is a major cause of global warming. And when industries flow our atmosphere सर कर रहे हैं. And when industries flow, सर धुआं का क्या होता है?
Sanjay bhaiya,
Okay.
sir, I am trying to answer.
अभी मैं आंसर.
नाम क्या है?
भाई मेरा क्वेश्चन था भाई, क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे पहले.
First of all, Saurav, I can say industry is the backbone of every country. You know,
Yes.
then industry have needs to more useless waste material to reuse
Yeah, reuse, we can use.
and recycle.
Sorry, फिर से.
Industry is the backbone of any country.
Yes.
Industry have need to more practice to reuse and reduce for wastage material. That is the things. Then they survive for our country and continents.
समझाइए.
Sort of your question आंसर नहीं इंडस्ट्रीज रिड्यूज एनी जो वेस्टमेंट होता है एनी वेस्टमेंट एंड रिड्यूज ब्रिक्स
Bricks.
या
Uh,
सो एटमॉस्फेयर इज क्लीन
okay. My question for Syambir and Sunny Bhaiya. What the what are the what are the primary causes of the global warming?
Many problem primary causes in our environment. If global warming is rises high, then our environment temperature is very at the times of Himalaya. The Himalaya is melted by the heats. So if Himalaya is melted by heat, then flow is occurs. Then many places are drought, flooded area announced by government.
Same question for Sunny Bhaiya for explain them.
I can explain easily. Okay, because
I am not satisfied.
as you asked that what is the primary cause of
Please,
global
first of
warming?
all,
Okay.
you cannot help with Google phones.
No, I have not helped the Google phones. My phone is off.
So I would like to answer about the Ritik Bhaiya question. Okay, as we all are know that we are the primary cause of our global warming. Okay, because in a day we are produce more than in a huge amount of plastic. Okay, by a single person. Okay, and whenever we are visit for market, then definitely we see in a huge amount of garbage waste inside the road. Okay, and we have to if we have to worry about it, then we have to recycle about the material, because one day by day it's becoming very high. Okay, and in the future maybe it can be a big mountain of the garbage. Okay, because as you can say in the Delhi having more than thousands of lakhs of ton garbage waste material. Okay, but no one is thinking about the right recycle. Okay, so we are the main causes of primary material.
Okay, Ritik, you know about a greenhouse. How is affected greenhouse in our environment?
Yeah, I will explain them. Greenhouse affected for the our environment. He can produce the carbon dioxide, and he can go for the
Not greenhouse, not produces carbon dioxide.
Explain one thing. What is the difference between afforestation and
So cutting of more trees is called deforestation, and growing of trees is called afforestation.
so what is wrong with it that we are cutting the trees, we need furniture, then there.
Sir, this is bad thing for cutting trees, because in our environment many other metals are available. Why we can
Let me
use?
answer my own question. Why we get sometimes we notice that we get unexpected rains, unexpected heat, unexpected unexpected cold, the cold which we never hope but we face, the heat we never hope but we face. Why? What is the reason?
Sir, I'd like to answer that question.
As a question for
It
you,
is a it is the cause of global warming, because and there are many cause of global warming. Just like
लगाना नहीं भाई, सब्सिडी रहना है,
yes,
ठीक है?
just like the amount of carbon dioxide just like increasing the amount of carbon dioxide is chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide, and also increasing population, industrial expansion, deforestation, and also increasing human activities. And when global warming is high, it affect our weather. Just like global warming leads to iceberg. When uh, global warming leads to icebergs when melting on that time, they provides a lot of water, and it increase floods, and yes sir, floods. Oh, sorry, floods. And when due to floods, due to floods, it increase. सर भूल जाते हैं. That's all.
Okay, Sandeep Bhaiya. If you agree with me, bee people are a snake in the fields in our environment damage. You are agree or not?
Yes, I agree.
How can damage environment humans?
uh, as I told you, when global warming is high on that time, our environment damage. Just 2024. Uh, in this year, the heat is very high in the history. Before 2024, there is no a lot of heat I have seen, and it is affect our environment. Just like
Saurabh, you always blame me, sir. I want to speak English 20. You don't speak
Sir,
English. Then I give you opportunity. Why not?
sir, हम पूछ रहे हैं. Sir भैया, I cannot satisfy with Ritik answer. Then you will try to.
What is your question?
How is affected greenhouse in our
I
environment?
think that you all are want to prove that Bihar do not speak English. Right or wrong?
no.
You want to prove. And where is your energy?
Please,
Someone is.
you show our your energy.
Actually, greenhouse in a greenhouse effect. What is the question?
How is affected greenhouse in our environment?
Let him speak. Saurabh, you are speaking English. Okay. You are on record. Your video will be watched by your father and brother also. When your brother asks Saurabh, I give money not less than someone. I give always money more than Irala sir, more than him to you. But also, why don't you speak English better than him, better than me, better than others? How will you respond to your parents? Answer my question. अरे आजकल मास्टर इतना को जगह देता है लाइब्रेरी के नाम पर तुम्हारा रात दिन पढ़ता है बाप में इतना बड़ा हॉल दे रहे हैं लाइब्रेरी यहाँ तुम लेकर पढ़ के तो नहीं मन लगता है लाइब्रेरी में माहौल मिलता है क्या माहौल मिलता है हमको पता है कौन क्या रिस्पॉन्ड करूंगा अंग्रेजी स्पीक अप इन इंग्लिश
Actually, I practice at home many times. Yeah, I am practice in a morning 6 to 9, but I am not able to speak here because I don't know why I am not speaking here, but I am speak at home at home. Uh,
how can we believe that you are speaking English at home? Eh,
because
para beginning film, sorry, para beginning film. Can't see this.
they ask me question as related to
Global warming. ये थे तनी भारी कर देगा
sorry
Climate change. This is my question.
global warming and climate change.
climate. I don't know.
कौन देगा आंसर
This is my question for you. Can you answer
वो
that?
आंसर करेगा क्लाइमेट चेंज और
Climate change and global warming के बीच में क्या difference between it?
First of all, sir, global.
बात नहीं देखेगा मत बोलो ठीक है हमारे माय तक बेचारी मेरी समझ में नहीं आता
Sir, first of all, global warming rises high. Then our ozone layer depletion is caused. If in our atmosphere, CO2, SO2 gas are present in atmosphere, then greenhouse is reflect with sun and light. Then in our environment, sorry, atmosphere, CO2 and SO2 are absorbed with this ray. And then it is go to ozone layer stratosphere, and this is the cause of the ozone layer. And then ozone layer is thick, then our climatic change is occurs.
atmosphere
मैं तो इसको बोलेगा इसको नहीं जानता
First of all, good morning everyone. This is Bobby from Ahlachok Baghra. Uh, According to all of you, who is more responsible for global warming, developed or developing countries?
तो कोई अब मैं नहीं समझा देता कि कौन जो है जवाब दे जवाब है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कैसे दे विकसित तो हो चुके हुए देश जैसे देश विकसित होने की स्थिति सब पागल हो गई कुछ भी चल रहा है उससे मतलब है लेकिन हमको आना बनना है
No one is responsible for this.
How can you
No,
say that no
sir.
one is
Russia is dropping missiles on our
Yes.
Sir,
continuously 1 year?
sir, many countries.
Israel continuously dropping bombs on Iran and other Muslim nations without
सर
something that
हम
you
बोलते
know
हैं
Why are you not watching the news?
when blast occurs, what do you think that heat generated and heat supports in global warming.
sir, many countries are meet to each other and launched more institutes just like G20.
G20 BRICS summit, different type of summit holds every year. I don't say that it doesn't hold. It helps, holds, but it does not mean the decision which is signed completely followed by everyone. Okay, when Chinese president comes to India and promise that I will do not create any nuisance on the border, but always we get something new.
Yes, sir.
Because when our prime minister and Pakistan prime minister go to United States of America, sign on a memorandum, and when they come back, the defense problem. So we can't say that there are a lot of services.
Can I say that answer? In answer, I can use some Hindi word. You can somewhere. Sir was telling that Russia and Iran युद्ध. I can say that on पहले के समय में जो डायनासोर आर कैसे समाप्त हुए, क्यों? इसके पीछे रीजन था क्योंकि उल्का पिंड जो जब गिरा धरती पे तो वहां पे भी हीट पे प्रोड्यूस हुआ। जैसे यहाँ पे जब युद्ध हो रहा है तो वहां पे हीट पे प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, तो उसके कारण ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इफेक्ट होगा और चारों चारों तरफ अंधेरा छा जाएगा। उसके कारण हीट वाज नॉट कमिंग, सो यू कैन not also survive in the earth.
You are talking about an incident which took 40 lakhs.
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
relate it.
it means that time there were hardly human living. There were no.
I can relate it the some
no human beings.
points.
Yes, there was no.
I can relate it the some topics,
Okay,
sir.
this is question for all. Okay, please, if you have any idea about it, then you can answer. Okay, what do you think about Delhi? Because in the summer season they will face a lots of heat. Okay, and in the winter season and in the rainy season they are facing lots of just like winter and rain. Why? What is the reason?
First of all, भैया बोल रहे हैं we are belongs in a subtropical region. So in a subtropical region here both seasons are come soon. So in a rainy season very huge amounts of rain occurs, then we can cause it by flooded, and in a summer season we can cause it by droughts. So that is the reason.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है उससे हम एक काम करूंगा सबको पहले इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगा तो बाबू
Production.
अपना परिचय दो माइक पर सब अपना अपना परिचय दो सिर्फ परिचय बोलना है लाइव परिचय दो अरे बोलो अच्छा ठीक है फर्स्ट क्लास है
उसका
Sir, the dirt.
बोलिएगा
सब
मेरा
बोलेगा
ये बोलने वाले
हमारा नाम क्या है?
My name is Muskan Kumari. Good morning, all of you. My name is Bhamna Kumari. I study in class 11th. That's all.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanu Sahu. I'm in class 11th and I am from Kitchener.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhumika Raj. I am from 11. I read in class 11th.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Sandra Kumari.
अच्छा अच्छा
हो गया तो नहीं हम बोल दिए कंफ्यूज कर हम बोल दिए
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sabrina Khatun. I read in class 11. That's all.
उन दोनों ने
दो ना उनको दो
इधर दो इधर ले ले बीच सो वाला दोनों से ठीक है दोनों से
Are you comfortable? Can I ask you a question?
yeah.
How can we control global warming?
अगर आइडिया है इसको बोल नहीं तो छोड़ दो ठीक है पड़ी होता
How can we control global warming? because uh, year by year it is increases. So how can we control?
Do you have any idea about global warming?
Do you have any idea about global warming?
I try.
Okay.
We all should grow to tree and take care of tree, and we all
Why
should
should we protect trees?
Why should we protect tree?
uh, I take care of tree as don't cut the tree
Okay,
and
tell me one thing. We should cut the tree or not? Yes or not? We should cut the tree, yes or not?
both.
I ask you, we should cut the tree, yes or not? It is good or not?
बोलो ना बोल
Both because
एक काटते हैं तो चार लगाएंगे बोलो सही है
both because suppose you should a place, okay, you want to become sorry you want to
you want to make road
you want to make or make a road,
and
this
there
is
are four trees come on this way
there are four trees come on the
this
way.
we have to cut the tree
We have cut the tree,
but don't forget
but don't forget,
हमने चार काटा है 16 लगाना है
and
we have cut
we have cut four trees, but
we have to plant
we have to plant 16 trees.
But people do not this. I have seen. And due to lack of tree, global warming is increases year by year. So
This is not compulsory कि पेड़ ही काटने
in
से
our
होता है.
society
Actually,
in our society
actually in our society,
more than 90% more than 50%
more than
are not
50% are not educated
50% are educated
and 50% are
among
educated.
those
क्या बोले?
among
Among those,
90% don't know what is global warming
90% people don't know what is global
that's why
warming.
they do
That's
okay, my second question is what is the main
जो ग्रेजुएट व्यक्ति थोड़ी global warming समझ रहा है
अब सबसे पूछना चाहते हैं what is the main cause of global warming according to you? What is the main cause of global warming?
Correct me.
Yes. Have you any idea? Can you anyone try? This side, that girl side.
हाँ दीदी ये बोलेगी ठीक है
एक तो हम कमी करके हम नहीं बोल पा सोनी दीदी आप
Repeat the question.
what is the main cause of global warming?
First of all, main cause of global warming, technical device. Any technical device increase in India, so main cause of global warming.
How
नहीं world, but
how can we say that technical device is a cause of global warming? Because when discovered, bro, listen. When our scientists discovered modern technical device on that time, we should we should uh, we should we should take a modern facility. So how can you say that technical advice is a cause of global
because
warming?
modern facility to advantage to disadvantage भी.
Okay.
उसका है.
चलो संजय
वो
बाबू
any
ठीक है चलो होल्ड करो बस बस समय नहीं ठीक है नाउ लिसन टू मी केयरफुली
वो question कौन सा?
you all want to prepare for ए लड़का listen to me